Hello everyone, so today I decided that I would vlog. I'm actually really late. I'm going for brunch with Hannah, Laura and Ewan, and I was meant to go and pick them up at like 10:15 and it's like 10:15 now, so sorry guys. But I quickly thought I'd just do a wee intro before I left. I do have some vlog clips that I took a couple of weeks ago which never made it into full vlog because it was just so boring, but I think I'm going to insert them now, so enjoy that if I decide to do that. If I don't, then future Juliet can edit this out. So I finished getting ready to go out and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this top. I think it's from like Misguided or Pretty Little Thing. I don't know, it's my sister's, but she's not here so I stole it. And then I'm wearing my meshki like satin trousers with them. However, I'm really worried this button's gonna pop off because the other one did too, and like it's not like they're really tight on me. I think the buttons just aren't on very well.
Cooking. Did you decide to go?
Yeah, I did.
We've got no plan of action so far.
Yes.
We're winging it.
We're in Tesco right now. This is probably really close to my face, isn't it?
Julie's film.
Yeah. So we're in Tesco right now.
Oh, you found your phone a bit.
Oh my god, I know, that's from the beer fest when I dropped it.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway.
16 jumbo pork sausages. Well, these all look disgusting.
I'm confused. What are we trying to make? Why did we
I
just...
don't know. We don't have a plan.
What kind of thing are you thinking? I
I
Stay?
literally have no. Oh my god,
I
we
would
could get a
just
meal
say
for two. Check
There
out
are three of us.
Oh my god, yeah. Wow.
Go say hi.
Oh well, I will in a minute.
No. We've gone for a nice curry.
I don't know if
Shop bought, you know, being efficient with our money. Laura doesn't like rice, so which was an issue. Let me just put it down here. Hi guys, there are quite a lot of people here right now.
Wait, no, Juliet, that will not work.
Just for me.
Right, so guys,
I thought you could film on your phone
there's
camera.
a lot of people here, and I feel like, see, because the TV screen's above us, I feel like they're all looking at us. So I'm like, oh, this is so good.
Oh, why are you filming me?
Basically,
I like it that much.
we've just drank some cocktails. And...
Mate, that was too bright. That's hurt my eyes.
Well, Juliet, I thought you were going to join in the vlog, but never mind. So turns out, I'm taking over.
I think you should stop vlogging.
It is really bright.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt your eyes.
I'm used to it though. Okay, we probably will get kicked out
I
soon.
really want you to stop that. I'm not gonna lie.
Literally no one can see us, so we're vlogging. So Juliet can succeed in life. Do you get paid yet?
No, I don't have
You
enough.
have 1,000 subscribers though.
Yeah, but I don't have enough hours of views. It's alright.
What's a disappointment?
Sorry.
Anyway, don't really have anything else to
It
say
have a
apart
lot
from
of views,
I
but
passed all my uni exams and got a second in ice skating event. So if anyone
good.
cares, there you go. Celebrating with some cut. Oh, I filmed it upside down. Is that all right?
no.
Oh, there we go. Pretty.
Actually, like a couple weeks after the other vlog, like yesterday, like you'll think it's yesterday, but it's actually not. It was like 2 weeks ago. So sorry about that. So now I'm just gonna continue this week. However, I can't really film everything because I want to do like a prep with me for Italy, which is what I'll be doing all week. Like this week is just like a getting everything together week. Oh my god, I just saw the biggest seagull. So today, I think I'll see Danny later. So I'll show him in the vlog. We're gonna watch Grey's Anatomy. I kind of don't want to, because we're almost at the end of season 5. Last night we watched the third last episode of season 5 and I cried so much. I don't know, it's just gonna get sadder. I am currently about to make this dress that I bought a while ago into a skirt. Not 100% sure how it's gonna go. And I already cut a wee bit, and then I was like, oh, I can make it like an off-the-shoulder dress, but I've already cut it, so I'm just gonna have to make it into a skirt. And then I've got this one. I'm not really sure about the pattern of this one. I was gonna try and make it into like a 2-piece, but I don't know. We will see. So update. It's going okay, I think. Right now I'm just doing the waist and then I'm gonna like fold it and then like make a seam and stuff like that.
Dog.
Okay then.
Not on my time, Forrest.
Today I'm starting my day with a workout, and then I'm just wearing this top from Puma and then my Nike Pro leggings. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update on the skirt I made. So I've not finished it yet, but this is what I've got so far. I still need to sew like the elastic bit properly together. I've made it kind of a tiny bit too big though, so I don't know if I should change that or just leave it. And then I want to cut like this bit off and then make it like shorter. I don't know how much shorter though. So I finished sewing the waistband. It's literally like 3 hours later. It's taken me so long to do this, and I still haven't even done the bottom of it. It's kind of messy, but it went a lot better than I thought it would, especially for like my first time properly doing something like this. So quite happy with it. I'm actually really enjoying myself, but I might take a bit of a break before I do the bottom.
6 p.m. your idiot polite company might call an intervention, though I'm not.
So I hope you enjoyed those vlog clips. Now back to today. So I thought I'd show you what I was wearing. I'm just wearing this off the shoulder cream kind of top. I think it's from like Pretty Little Thing. And then I'm wearing this skirt. It's like pinstripes. And I got this in like a random clothes shop in Sicily. And then I'm just wearing it with my Reeboks. My legs are so burnt, and also so is my face, but I tried to put foundation on to cover it, but it's peeling, so it's not a good look. Also my lips swollen, so it's just a disaster today. I'm also so late and they're going to be annoyed at me, so I'm going to go now.
Oh, I wasted against it.
Is that bad?
Yes.
So I got back from brunch a while ago. I'm just at Danny's right now, and we were just watching the cycling. We've actually got a party later, but I'm not gonna lie to you, like I can't bother going. Like I'm tired, but we're gonna go. Also, his cat's usually here, like right here, but she's not here, and I don't know where she's gone. I'm a little upset about it. I'm gonna move so there's better light, but I thought I'd vlog this weekend. Like I don't know how long for, because we have some fun things going on. I'm not gonna tell you, because that's just going to ruin the vlog.
Time. He was 1 second outside to get time at the first check.
You've been replaced.
Hello everyone, so it's actually the next day, you can probably tell. I never filmed at the party. It wasn't really the kind of scene to film, and I was just like chatting to people the whole time, so I didn't film anything, sorry about that. Today I'm going to see a play with Danny's family. We're going to see Hamlet. It's like an outdoor play, so I'm excited, and we're going for dinner. Don't know how much I'll film, but I thought I would film like me getting ready just for the vlog. I was going to do like a separate video of me getting ready, but my skin's still so bad and like peeling and stuff, so my makeup's probably gonna look really bad. So I just finished my makeup. I don't know if you can tell, but like over my cheeks and my nose it's peeling really bad and it's gone all patchy, but it's alright. I tried to cover it up and I couldn't, so there's not much I can do. And I think my eye makeup looks nice, so it's okay, I'll get over it. Okay, so this was my original outfit idea. However, I don't know how I feel. I love the bodysuit. This is a new one I got in Italy. It's by Moschino. I feel like the flares look weird. I also just got these new shoes from like a shop in Sicily somewhere. I tried the outfit on now with some jeans, which I actually prefer a lot more to the flares, but I have a different pair of trousers I think I might wear because I really like the jeans, but I feel like it's quite casual and I feel like I have a lot of opportunities to wear this outfit. I finally decided I'm gonna wear these trousers from Meshki, I think. Then just the same shoes, and then I've got this like red bag which will go well with the red on this. So I think I finally decided. I think I actually prefer the jeans. I don't know. I feel like the jeans look more casual, so I can wear them like at other times, whereas I feel like this is quite fancy. You guys probably don't want to see me try on so many different outfits and be very indecisive. It's probably very annoying. So I hope you can see me right now. I've already filmed this clip twice and it was just a disaster. But I just got back from Danny's house. I stayed there last night. I obviously didn't really film a lot last night, but I feel as though that's kind of obvious. Like, I was with his family, so that would have been kind of awkward if I was just like filming. It's actually Danny and I's 1 year today. Crazy, I know. So I'm making a smoothie right now, so that has nothing to do with the day, but I'm just making a smoothie. I haven't had one in a while. But we're going up to his flat later. We're gonna have a nice dinner and then go out for some drinks. So I'm really excited for that. I don't know how much I'll film, obviously, because it's like a special day, so I don't really know if I want to film a lot of it. But I can film like up until we leave. I'm gonna go and get some flowers at some point. I should probably do that now actually, because Danny really likes tulips. We told each other we weren't gonna do like presents or anything, but I want to get him some flowers. So I'm just back from the shops and I feel stressed. I literally went to like 4 different shops, I think, to find tulips, and I couldn't find any anywhere. I'm really sad. Apparently it's not tulip season. I thought they just did it at any time of the year, but apparently not. So I got these, like, they're like sunflowers and lilies, I think, and then some like purple flowers, which I don't know what they are. But yeah, I'm sure you'll still like them, but I really wanted to get tulips. I am just about to start doing my makeup. I think I'm gonna do like a pink look because I think I'm wearing a pink skirt tonight. Literally just look at like all of this. Like, I look a mess because of like my burns, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube or something. I'm actually really far behind on Love Island. Like, I'm like 3 weeks behind, but I don't really know if I really want to catch up, to be honest. I just can't really be bothered. I'm feeling like a wee bit stressed because I feel as though everything's just not going my way today. So just finished my makeup. Really like it, really happy with it. My face makeup isn't even peeling that bad. I mean, it's peeling a bit, but it was expected. Yeah, I might put on a bit of lip gloss. I'm not sure. I usually don't go for anything on my lips, but I really like it today and I really like my eyes. I'm gonna get changed into my outfit now and then do my hair. Yeah, I feel like there's something I really need to do and I can't think of what. I really don't know what it is, but I don't know. But I am ready now. I put on some lip gloss, did my hair, and I just thought I would show you my outfit. So I'm just wearing this top from Primark, I think. It's just like a one shoulder top, and then I'm wearing this skirt, which is from Meshki. I really like this skirt. Danny got me for my birthday. Now I just need to pack a bag and put some earrings in, and I think I will be ready.
Red food colour or not?
Do you want this to be?
Yeah. It's not that big.